If you wanted to activate Google Assistant or Gemini by using the power button on a Realme 14T, then first of all we can go to settings. Over here in the settings we can scroll pretty much all the way down and go to accessibility and convenience. Scroll down again, and this time we need to choose power button, open, press and hold the power button option, and then you should be able to switch between the power menu and the digital assistant. So of course, in our case, we want to choose digital assistant. And now this depends on the type of assistant that you use. By default, we actually use a Gemini, so if you press and hold the power button, you will activate Gemini. So let's give it a try. And there we go. However, if you prefer to use Google Assistant instead, then we can open the Gemini app, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and then over here we can press switch to Google Assistant, and we can switch to, well, Google Assistant. Just confirm your choice, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.